do another one. Let's do it to the right.
Alright. But one spin to the right, right?
Yeah. Still show recovery to the right though, right?
Okay.
It starts into the spin, it just goes into that steep spiral mode that you talked about.
Okay. You want to do another one to the left and then one to the right?
Okay, let's do one left then right.
Okay.
Cover traffic, 64 Mike Whiskey is downwind, runway 22.
Chesapeake traffic, Sky 5206 Charlie is departing runway 23 to the south, Chesapeake.
There you go, left rudder. Bring it back to your chest, all the way over. There you go, hold it, holding it. There it goes, powered idle. Rudder on neutral, rudder opposite direction. And feel the G-forces.
Woo!
Nice, that's what gets most people right there. Alright, add the power back in. Let's climb back up.